On today's menu, having a homemade meal after a long day at work is a pasta ability. Fast vegan Alfredo.
Lay home ma everyone, I'm Will Young. This is an easy pasta recipe you can make any night of the week.
Bring a pot of water to boil for the pasta.
While the water is boiling, you can prep everything else.
Quarter cup cashews. Half cup water. Generous pinch of salt. 2 to 3 pieces of garlic. Pepper. Drizzle of olive oil. When the water comes to a boil, add a pinch of salt and half a bag of pasta. Blend on high until liquefied.
That's your sauce done. Now, mushrooms.
Thinly slice 4 to 5 cremini mushrooms. Drain out the water and transfer the pasta to a bowl. Pan back on medium-high heat. Drizzle of olive oil. Mushrooms. Pasta. Baby kale and arugula. Cream sauce. Turn off the heat and stir. Plate. Parsley. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil. You can now make this fast vegan Alfredo with absolute confidence.
No matter how busy you are, you can always make time for incredible food. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.